Yo, what's good, y'all boys? I'm currently on the road to the car meet right now. So I'm gonna get y'all out of the video, man. So we gonna put this car meet. What's that? Like I was saying, we're gonna Fredo's Grill right quick, little car meet. We're gonna just walk around, see what's going on. The video part be like, ain't gonna be that long, but you know, I'm making it interesting whenever I act doing. We almost done. It's like we got 2 minutes left right around the corner, but I'm gonna just got this nut, go fill this car up. Cause I don't know why he gets like a scat pack, but it's not.
That's that muffler cut off. That's what it is.
No, that shit's help some gas. Let's see if I'm pulling right now.
That's some shit right there. It's started power, right?
Yeah, I don't know everybody at that. Yeah, I probably turned the corner. Yeah, probably over there. Ooh.
Like I'm not in the car getting me.
What? I ain't even do that.
What you said, ooh, for?
Nothing good. I'll check.
Oh, hell, nice one. Damn. That boy been clean as fuck. I think that's the fifth thing I was trying to buy.
Yeah, I can pump my shit with nothing in the hood. I'm so sick.
Yeah.
They niggas in office, so I don't be having shit.
Yeah, that boy got his shit. Some crazy shit. Beamer? That boy got it.
There's no parking up here. I ain't blowing this bitch. It's the good one, not the old one. Oh, don't blow your fucking motor. Shit.
Oh shit! What that was? That thing wasn't a charger? Challenger?
Boy.
Hey,
Okay.
hey.
Okay, that shit poppin' too. That shit ain't no regular. There ain't no regular. What's the name though?
I swear that, but I ain't never heard no Challenger red like that, cuz.
That's a Civic.
Damn.
Don't talk like that.
Damn, something like that. CC, where the blunts at?
I'm about to park my ass.
Where the weed at?
Oh.
Them boys get slammed like.
What the fuck?
I know he said track this shit. Track this shit. Going that low is kind of crazy.
Hey, I'll put my shit right here.
Think you ready for some shit like that? Think you ready for a revving contest?
Hey, I'll put my shit right here. Hold that bitch.
So are we gonna move out the road or no?
Man, how you feeling so far, man?
Alright. I ain't snapped crazy yet. That's fucking crazy. That shit hard.
Yeah, that boy got that tail. Oh shit. Here come the Scott boys.
Oh shit.
Green calipers. Oh shit. That's that shit we got seen. Oh, that boy pulled up wide body. Oh, that boy pulled up. Oh, yeah.
Them boys can play.
Yeah, that boy came out on this shit. That boy pulled up back to back heavy as fuck. That boy got like Rio. That boy got some shit out. Oh shit. That boy got shit out. And the fact that they still ain't thought yet, what the fuck?
Awesome.
Yeah, that boy. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Don't know what's my case. I want to spend them on enjoyment. Wish them to miss you. Can you keep us sleeping for a long, long time? When you awake or sleeping, say my name one time. I don't want to sleep up, baby. Oh, but I got my life. I know you want to be my wife.
That shit crazy as hell. Hey, I'm about to go to the back. Fuck off.
Ain't shit put up to the front for real.
You already know that I'm not your money. I know you wanna spend more time, spend more time. I know you wanna spend more time. But hey, can you keep us sleeping for a long, long time? When you awake or sleeping, say my name no time. I don't want to sleep up, baby. Oh, but I got my wife.
Boy.
Yeah.
That's my shit.
That boy got huh?
Yeah.
Where? That's some shit, bro.
Wait till I get my car like that. I swear to God. Wait till I get my
This is the shit I was talking about, man. Damn.
That shit crazy. Oh my God. Wait till I get a car like that.
Oh, that boy. That boy got a big ass. I'm about to start recording.
It's the phone that make you jump, sexy money.
Hey, Ric Flair pull up on y'all ass. Ric Flair pull up on y'all ass. He's not fucking up. Old school rolling there. That shit right. That them boys got it. Look how old school. I gotta have one of these in my garage. I ain't gonna lie. You was not no fucking boss. You know you a worker, nigga. I'm a fucking spurter, nigga. I'm a dope server, nigga. Real street nigga. Oh boy. We fly y'all, but we just chilling right now. How you
What about y'all? Huh?
How you feel? You gotta smack it?
I'm thinking about it. I low-key just want to see the exit because I want to see a fucker crash. They're always crashing out here, you know? I just want to see the exit.
Give those this guy.
To me, the car meets in Miami, they're better.
Of course, cause you know they do? They do crash out shit. They gonna do burnout some into the road and go to jail.
Yeah, but it's still better. It's alright. It's alright. It's
The
nice.
the ones across the way better than this too.
What that nigga doing?
Oh, shit!
That nigga not stopping. Oh yeah. This shit out of there, y'all, boy. I ain't gonna lie. He did it. He did that one. He did that one. He did that one. Look at that bitch.
Nothing major.
Hey, get a video, get a video. Alright, y'all boys, that's the end of this motherfucking video. Hope y'all boys go like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all boys out. Car Me 2 posted. Y'all smack that bitch if you want.
Bum.